Today's our topic is process of resolution of disputes under Industrial Dispute Act. The redressal of industrial dispute is very pertinent for effective functioning of the industry. Therefore, the Industrial Disputes Act 1947 has provided various ways to settle industry disputes by empowering the appropriate government to appoint different authorities as and when necessary in order to maintain industrial peace and harmony. The recent amendment to Act has provided for setting up to grievances redressal committee. How to resolve industrial disputes? Industrial disputes arises when employees and the employers fail to sort out their differences. Industrial dispute is always harmful to all persons associated with such industry, as it affects all stakeholders, management, employees, economy and society. The employers suffer losses in production, revenue, profits and even sickness of the plants, whereas the employees may suffer due to loss of wages and even jobs. Since industries are the pillars to economic growth, any dispute is detrimental to the rate of growth of the economy, which ultimately affects the whole society. Therefore, Industrial Dispute Act 1947 provides machinery to resolve such dispute by following ways: collective bargaining, grievances redressal, arbitration, conciliation, adjudication. Collective bargaining is the most effective method of resolving industrial dispute. It occurs basically through work committee, that is when representatives of both workmen and employers meet to settle the differences which may be due to disputes in wages, benefits, work rules, etc. Since both parties have their representative, they can collectively bargain to protect their interests and reach a settlement. Grievances redressal mechanism. A grievances may be defined as show of dissatisfaction to the workman with any aspect of the organization wherein he is employed. The same needs to be redressed for the betterment of the industry. The Industrial Dispute Amendment Act 2010 has substituted a new chapter, that is Chapter 2B, in the Act with the purpose to establishment effective tool to resolve industrial dispute. The title of the chapter is Grievances Redressal Machinery. Section 9C of the Act provides for the establishment of grievances redressal machinery. Every industrial establishment having 20 or more workmen shall have one or more grievances redressal committee for the resolution of dispute arising out of individual grievances. The grievances redressal committees shall consist of equal number of members from the employer and the workmen. The grievances chairperson of the grievances redressal committee shall be selected from the employer and from among the workmen alternately on rotation basis every year. The total number of members of the grievances redressal committee shall not exceed 6. There shall be one woman under the grievances redressal committee in case of 2 members. In case the number of the members are more than 2, the number of women members may be increased proportionally. Proportionately. The grievances redressal committee shall not affect the right of the workmen to raise industrial dispute on the same matter under the provision of the Act. The grievances redressal committee may complete its proceeding within 30 days on receipt of a written application by or on behalf of the aggrieved party. The workman who is aggrieved by the decision of the grievances redressal committee may appeal to the employer against the decision of the grievances redressal committee, and the employer shall within 1 month from the date of receipt of such appeal dispose the same and send a copy of his decision to the workman concerned. Arbitration is a method settlement of a dispute wherein a neutral third party appointed by both the parties